Hey guys, my name is Chelsea and welcome to my channel. So this is my first video on my new channel. I used to have a YouTube channel like back in 2010 until 2011, like late 2011, but I shut that down because I was too worried about what people were gonna think because YouTube wasn't cool back then. But now I finally got my groove back and I'm ready to start pushing out great content for you guys, and I can't wait for you guys to see what's in store. Just a little rundown of what's gonna be on my channel. I'm gonna be having beauty, fashion, cook with me's, grocery hauls, clothing store hauls. The list is just endless. Vlogs. So I'm super excited to bring you guys along into my life, and I can't wait to see what's in store. Be sure to subscribe. All of my social media accounts will be linked down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. You guys know the drill. So can't wait to see what's in store, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.